Hello, I'm Andrew Harmel-Law. I'm a tech principal at Thoughtworks based in London. And that means I'm a consultant. So I work with lots of different clients around the world, trying to help them get better at software delivery and organization design and continuous delivery and software architecture and domain-driven design and lots of other stuff. The first thing I created was when I was at university in St Andrews in Scotland, which is quite a long time ago. Everybody had in their home directory I think it was called public_HTML. And basically that directory was mounted on the web. And if you put HTML in that directory, then you had a website. So everybody had a website, although not everybody knew it. So maybe a year before, I'd been on the internet for the first time. So I used Mosaic browser to look at the Internet Movie Database. And I thought, oh, this is cool, but there needs to be more information about my favorite movie, which was The Birds by Alfreda Hitchcocka. So I created a really, really, really terrible looking website around about The Birds by Alfreda Hitchcocka. So it wasn't really code, it was just HTML. So my favorite tool that helps me in my job is possibly, obviously, domain-driven design. So it's something that I learned, I think maybe 10 years ago. And I was working in the criminal justice domain. And it really helped me see where the complex areas was. It helped me see where the differences were. It helped me really understand the needs and requirements of my domain experts, the users that we were writing the software for. So now domain-driven design is something that I use on all projects. So at Infoshare F3 this year, I'll be sharing a talk that I have called What I Talk About When I Talk About Domain-Driven Design. It's a talk that I pulled together after various people at Thoughtworks and lots of my clients kept asking me what was this thing called domain-driven design, what did it mean, what are all of the different parts and pieces, and how does it all work together? And most importantly, how can people use it to get the most out of the software that they're trying to write and figure out how to break down that software into the right pieces and use all of the different tools that domain-driven design give you to get the best out of those circumstances. So yeah, thanks for hopefully for coming along to the conference. I'm really looking forward to giving my talk. I know that DDD is big and complicated and for some people doesn't make sense because they're not sure where to begin or what to which pieces to use. So I'd love if people came to the talk, but I'd also love if people want to engage with me, ask me questions either after the talk or I'll be hanging out at the conference. So hopefully I'll get to meet some people and have a few conversations.